Hi, this is Robin. I'm just demonstrating the lighted ramp that I created for my dog. My dog's starting to go blind, so she's having trouble finding her way back into the house. So, a couple things. She's also very short and has back problems, so I had to build her a ramp. Once they built the ramp, then we were finding that she was having some difficulty actually finding the ramp because, of course, the edges of the ramp mean that she has to jump. So now I have these lights and a microcontroller that is hooked up to a motion sensor. So as I approach the doorway, the motion sensor will kick in. You can see it just lit up there. And basically now what happens is the lights go into sort of a runway or a chase mode where they go back and forth in different colors. So they're just randomly from one color to another, allowing her to see her way out into the backyard. So they're going to do this about 10 times up and down. So then they turn themselves off. And basically now at this point, the dog's outside doing her business, and then as she approaches, the motion sensor kicks in, and the lights turn back on again. And now she's able to find her way easily back to the house door, where we can let her in. And again, the ramp will turn itself off after it does its cycle 10 times. All right, thanks for watching.